now I am already at more than 2000 subscribers, thanks to you guys. So for those of you who are for the first time here watching my channel, thanks for coming, I really appreciate it. He is really a great guy, because I have to tell you the story. This is a short one. When I was at 1990 subscribers, he just told me that he is gonna share my channel among his friends, and he really did it. Hi to all, thanks for stopping by. This is RRR Refuel Ride Race channel, and now I am already at more than 2000 subscribers, thanks to you guys. So for those of you who are for the first time here watching my channel, thanks for coming, I really appreciate it. I already did more than 300 videos and I am thankful to you, but I have to mention one really great person, one really big man, I have to say, and this is RJ from the USA. He has a channel named 602 North, and he is really a great guy, because I have to tell you the story. This is a short one. When I was at 1990 subscribers, he just told me that he is gonna share my channel among his friends, and he really did it. I got 8 subscribers that day, and 2 days ago I just passed 2000 subscribers, guys. 2000, and I'm really thankful to him and to all of you guys, so thank you very much. But it's not all about subscribers, guys. It's also about making videos. It's also about sharing videos and events and all things with you about motorcycles, cars and traveling, and it is a pleasure to do it, and it is also a pleasure to interact with you via questions and answers and so on. So I really like to do it. Otherwise, I have to say that this year was a great year for me. I did 2 quite big trips. One was in Bosnia in May 2023, and the other one was not so long ago. It was in July in Romania. So those 2 trips are already on my channel. You can go and watch all the episodes from both trips, guys. This is also a great opportunity to mention some channels. I have to say that I follow a lot the YouTube channels from other YouTubers that do motorcycle stuff, car stuff and traveling stuff. And here I would like to mention firstly Saddlebags 73. He is a kind of a father of let's say doing YouTube for me. He was the one that inspired me to do YouTube, and Jeff, thank you very much. I would like to recommend his channel. His channel, it's about rides, it's about reviews, it's about let's say funny stories and so on. He is from the UK and he is a great guy, so check his channel, guys, check it. The other one, it's also from the UK, and his name is Derek, and he has a channel called Solo Moto UK. He also rides in the UK. He has a BMW 850 GS, and he is really doing some kind of adventures, you know, and similar stuff, but also he likes to do some reviews, so a very interesting channel in my opinion. So guys, also check him out. The other channel is from the USA, guys, and this is Purple on 3. In fact, this is a couple, so Jody and Tommy. He has also a YouTube channel named Tommy G. So those two guys, you know, those two guys are really fun to watch, and I really like all those episodes that are connected with their traveling around USA from east to west and vice versa. And you know, it is just a great fun to watch their videos. So I also recommend checking their channel. So Purple on 3. Jody, Tommy, you are the one. Okay guys, let me continue. Recently I also started watching another great channel, and this is named Alin with the R6. It is from the UK, and Alin, it's just a guy that lives in the UK and has also the Yamaha Tracer 9. In fact, he has a GT model, and he covered some great reviews about features, about gadgets, and about some modification of the Tracer 9, especially on his bike. And it has a very useful things on his channel, and I really like it. But currently he did a great tour in the UK, so you can check him out also. I recommend. The other channel, it's about the dash cam videos, and it's also from the UK. The name of the channel is Tuga Dash Cams UK, and it is really interesting and fun to watch his videos, because he is spotting all the bad behavior, I mean drivers' behavior on the UK roads, and sometimes it is just unbelievable what it's all going on the UK roads, guys. I would like to point out two more. Both are from the USA, and the first one it's 602 North, Rance RJ. It's a great guy. I am following him for quite some time now, and he has a very nice Indian cruiser, and I like his videos a lot because he has the diversity of topics so evident that you never know what is gonna be next, and this is the thrilling part that I like a lot. So doing reviews, doing some rides, and also sharing some memories, sharing his home with us, and so on. So RJ, you are the one, and I recommend his channel to everyone. Check it, guys, check it. And the other one, it's named Viper 6. He is also from the USA, but he lives in the same time also in Canada, and he has quite a lot of videos dealing with driving, so dash cam videos, and also riding, because he has also the older model of the Yamaha Tracer 9, and I really like both kind of videos that he is doing. Okay guys, as you probably know, I covered more than 12,600 kilometers, so this is around 8,500 miles this year. It was a great year, and just like I said, I did two great trips, one in Bosnia and the other one in Romania, and it was a great year. I did a lot of test rides. I covered more than 15 test rides. You can go and check them all. They are on my channel, and also some other reviews of different gadgets, different modification regarding the Yamaha Tracer 9. I hope that you're enjoying my videos. This is also the opportunity to tell you that I just purchased my new helmet, and now I have a new helmet that it's from HGC. It is a very famous model, and I was thinking quite a lot to get that helmet, and now I have it, and I am a happy owner, I have to say it. The review, or let's say the honest review, because I am doing all the time honest reviews, it's already on my channel, so you can go through it and watch it. Otherwise, I have to mention also that the season, it's over, guys, but only for 3 months, as it is every year. So we are in December, and it is a holiday time right now, but in the beginning of March, I believe that we are gonna be already back on our bikes. At least this is my case. From the 15th of March I start riding, and I have to say that right now it's just that winter time, you know, when we all just rest and relax and do things connected with our motorcycles, cars, and traveling in our mind. Mostly we are thinking of our new plans, or we are thinking about our new trips, our new, let's say, things, stuff, purchasing, and so on. And overall, I have to say that there is really nothing better than having great plans for the next year. And I wish you all the best, guys. Have a nice Christmas, Merry Christmas, guys, and a Happy New Year. I wish you all the best, and a mild winter, and a very fast entering to the new season. So guys, thanks for watching. Please do me a favor and subscribe if you wish so, and till the next one, Happy New Year.